Alright, so if you ever have problems removing the cylinder heads, well, the bolts, told me this trick from a mechanic. Told me to grab one of these and a little sledgehammer, and yeah, we're gonna put seal lock on these bolts. So he told me to grab one of these, put it on the bolt, and bang them down just to break the seal. Just give it a little bang. Just a little bang. Let's see if this method works. Because right now they are not budging. So I'm trying this trick to see if this trick works. I'll let you know. Follow.